Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2001 Honda Goldwing Trike. This is blue in color, has some pinstriping. It's kind of all throughout the bike. It's actually really nice pinstriping. See some more up there on the fenders. So this is a Lehman trike kit. It's a 2001, about 70,000 miles on it. Seat's in good shape. Some more of that pinstriping. Heel toe shifter, aftermarket floorboards. Got a luggage rack here. Excuse me. Some of the chrome is starting to pit a little bit. This antenna also has a little bend in it. It's still functional. We actually had a video made of this bike, but it was attached to a blue trailer. The blue trailer has been sold, so we're remaking the video here so you can see just the bike itself. I'm going to come around and start it for us, but I left it in gear. Bike's in good shape. It's clean. And the paint's nice. It shines really well. I did notice a couple little chips right here. It's hard to see them, but it did have a little bit of rock chips right here. Hope you can see that. More pinstriping up there. Good front tire. Again, some more rock chips right here. It's black underneath the paint, so you can't really notice them unless you get pretty close on it. And then some typical oxidation and rusting around these aftermarket parts. That's pretty standard here in Florida. Again, we had this thing up as a package. We just sold the trailer, so we're going to be lowering the price on this one as well. 70,328 miles. I don't know if you can see that or not. Bike runs excellent. It's got the CB control, AM, FM radio, cruise control. A nice trike here. Lights down at the bottom. I'm a big fan of these Lehman kits because they have a very, very large trunk. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. It's a really large trunk in there for a trike. Fire truck going by at the right time. Got some LEDs in it as well. I don't know if you can see those. So there it is, guys. 2001 Goldwing Trike. It's a Lehman trike kit. Bike has 70,000 miles, in good shape. We have discounted shipping rates available, so if you're interested in getting this bike shipped or finding out what it costs to get this home, just give us a call, give us your zip code, and we'll get you an accurate quote. The other option is you can fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up, and you can ride her home. Bike's been serviced here and is ready to roll. There it is, guys. Tampa, Florida. Ride Pro is the place. Our phone number is 813-615-1700. Give us a call if you got any questions. Thanks for watching.